So these buses were brought to Gloucester for a few years back, which replaced the stagecoach gold interior scania k230ud, which have now gone to Cheltenham. So these are the only ones they have. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Business park first, and then the last stop is stagecoach AOL On. So these seats on here are quite firm, but yeah, not too bad. The golden interior seating was much more comfortable. Every one needs are pretty good, but where I'm sat, I had to put my leg over because of the obviously the metal railing hole is in the way, so yeah, stop here now. Driver will change the destination board to from the 8 to Brockworth to 8 to Gloucester. Standard now. Too exciting. Stop. So we'll wait for the bus to depart as well. There's an outside shot to the bus departing, and on my way back I'll do another bus review of whichever bus we get back to Cooper's Edge. So hope you enjoyed the first part of the journey. I'll be back on the bus after I've done what I need to do. Thank you very much. So here we are at the Whittle. Got the Premier Inn over there. The Whittle Inn. In Cooper's Edge we've got a car park. On the other side you've got Tesco Garage, which is just open on Mondays to Saturdays between 6 AM to midnight, but on Sundays it's 10 AM to 4 PM. So here's our bus that we've just went on. It's YN64 AOL 28681 on number 8 to Huntsgrove, and I'll see you when the bus departs. So the bus is now departing, going back to Huntsgrove via city centre.